Alright, hello everyone. I'm David and I'll be demoing YieldSwarm. So basically, it's a yield optimization, autonomous yield optimization system where it automatically discovers, analyzes, and generates risks on yield opportunities. So I'll head straight in and increase this a bit. So our system consists of three main parts actually: the API layer, the backend layer, and the UI layer. So to start this, I'll start the speed of documentation is on the demo on the GitHub already, so you can read out there. So I'll just continue. So start by killing any previous Julia process. So for this demo to work, you need to have Julia installed. Alright. So Julia, you can install Julia via Julia up. Yeah. So I want my Julia server. Start, get it running. So give it a while for this for it to load up. Oh yeah, before that, I just had to cut it there. I had to copy my login face token. Yes. So yeah, this. Yeah. So I know you can run the server now. So you have to set your environment variables, which just have to be this login face token for now, so we can get access to the LLM while we will use in the agents. So kill the data process and restart the server. Yeah, so Julia server is started. Then we'll come to our um the API layer, which is the orchestrator, the Node.js orchestrator. So start by building the project, and once that's done, we would automatically start the API. So yeah, it has started and the API server is listening on port 300. So head over to port 300 the dashboard routes, and yeah, we are here. So this is what the dashboard looks like. This is what the dashboard looks like on the web UI. So this is the web layer. So we would um, start by creating three agents. So start by creating a discovery agent. We set the type to discovery agent, and set the chain to Solana. So for now, just Solana is supported. Just Solana mock data is supported. So configuration, we'll leave it at null as an empty JSON. Then we'll create an agent. So we'll give it a while for it to load, for the agent to come up. So while that's creating, we can like have a look at what is going on in the um over here in the back. So it starts the creation for the discovery agents, attempt an LLM based discovery, like sends the mock yield opportunities to the LLM, then gets the results, and yeah, so give it a while to. So it's currently interacting with an LLM. It's currently interacting with GLM 4.5, which is an LLM by Zai AI. So this is still coming up. So still give it a while. Yeah, so it's created, and you can see live opportunity feed being populated here. So go ahead and create another agent, which is an analysis agent. We'll give it the type of analysis agent. Also select change to Solana, and the configuration set that in Node.json. So create an agent. So that one was pretty fast. And lastly, create a risk agent, which would be the agent for generating our risks on. So generate risk agents, set the type to risk, then target change Solana and configuration. So create the agents. Now we'll come here and create a swarm. Sorry, let me take this to dark mode so I guess you can see better. Okay, we'll come here and create a swarm. So we can name it anything, maybe swarm HQ. Then optimization algorithm would just be modern portfolio theory. We would use that and would analyze, we would just assign the analysis agents to the swarm, because that is what's going to be, that is what the swarm is going to run. Then we also set the parameters to null. So we'll create our swarm, we'll give it time, and it's loaded already. So now we can see that all our swarms, they are stopped, they are not currently running. They are not currently running. So we can start all our swarms, so our swarms and agents. Started that, start this, and start this. So as you might notice, it's the status hasn't changed. It has actually started running, but you just have to like refresh, and you see that it's already running. Refresh is already running also. So now we'll apply configuration. We just want the mock data, or the data, the yield opportunities, the yield that it's going to be getting just before Solana, which, because that's what's only supported. So we'll just select only Solana and we'll apply configuration. So once we apply configuration, we'll hold on a bit and scroll down to our portfolio allocation section to see how um to see our portfolio being allocated, or see what's being allocated. So actually, and also this risk alert section too. So we see the risk being generated. So give it a while to come up. Okay, supply configuration. Okay, I guess it started. It has started already. This one start allocating. Started allocation process. Um, okay, performing portfolio organization, and hold on. Okay, yeah, it's here now. So it has analyzed. The discovery agent has done its work of populating this field, live opportunity field, giving us it has given us yield opportunities, has selected yield opportunities and discovered them for us. Our analysis agent has taken it back to the Julia backend to process or analyze these yield opportunities, and brought it back to the Node.js orchestration layer to um, which takes it to the web UI to display it in this format. So it has allocated different portfolios, which is alright. Expected yield on the opportunity that we have gotten should be 14.71%, with the total risk being a medium. So if you scroll down, see that there are risk being generated. So there's one which says crushing risk. So it recommends that we should diversify allocation across multiple chain. That the risk being detected on Solana is concentrated. Although this is a mock data, but at least it's showing you that it's working. Yeah. So these are system logs the back from the backend. If you don't want to like keep switching between tabs to go to your terminal, you can see the system logs being generated here. So yeah, that's a simple demonstration for YieldSwarm, a yield optimizer built on Julia. So it has allocated the second time. I can see expected yield is 2.4, total risk is medium, and still the risk the concentration is still high, and it's still just on Solana. So it's still recommending that we should diversify across multiple chains. So the cool or fun thing about this is that this is actually being that the result actually being AI generated or AI analyzed. Our agents are all working in parallel to solve or to optimize our yield. Yeah. So that's that. Thank you for thank you for listening. So that's the simple demo, and yeah, thank you.